Alright, super quick update on Bitcoin. So I have now marked this descending trend line that was resistance since the 21st of October green, because we have had a small bounce on it. Now, do bear in mind, this is not really the bounce I wanted to see. If we do have a solid, a solid follow through tomorrow with some good green buying volume, and we do have another solid push up above 40,000, then I would be much more bullish in the short term. But just a few things I want to outline to you. The total crypto market cap is barely pushing up. We still do look very bearish. You know, you could even argue that we have done something like a head and shoulders. We've broken down and now we're retesting the bottom of the trend line. I wouldn't pay too much attention to that. I would really be paying attention to what Bitcoin does in the next 2 days. I think we'll have a decision whether we're bullish or bearish in the next 2 days. If it takes us another 2 days and we're only, we're still below 40,000, in my opinion, we would be setting up for a big drop. Now, what I want to highlight, obviously nothing's really changed since my last video, so if you want my full breakdown of Bitcoin, go check out my previous video yesterday. We are in this inverse head and shoulders. We really do need to start taking off soon. If we do break through this low at 37,000, then in my opinion we're about to break down. Now, I did just make a video about this, but I will make a quick update on this video for some of you who don't care about the dollar and the stock market too much. Well, the dollar is pumping and gold is pumping, so what this tells me off these two charts alone is people are exiting risk on assets like crypto, which is why we're seeing this big drop, and people are entering risk off assets, which is why we see the dollar and gold going up. I mean, it says it here, gold is going up, the dollar's going up over Ukrainian concerns, over inflation risks and fear of war. So obviously, I'm not a big fan of dollar and gold in the long term. I do think they are, two shit coins hand in hand, and obviously I prefer to hold gold over any fiat currency. That's just a given. I'm not a mega bear on gold. I even do hold a tiny bit, but I'm not a big old gold advocate. I'd much rather hold Bitcoin. But what I mean is, while gold and the dollar is going up, these two do look very strong in the short term. I do think Bitcoin is going to keep breaking down. If we do come over to the stock market as well, you can see we outlined three areas that I'd need to get above before I get bullish. That was the 200-day moving average. This was number 3 here, so we can get rid of that. We've broken below. We never got above number 2, which was this descending trend line, and we obviously only broke our head above this, but this was a very, very steep trend line. So in my opinion, I think the stock market's about to have a dump. Facebook, tech stocks, these are very, very bearish right now. I think the total crypto market cap is very bearish, and obviously I think Bitcoin is very bearish. Now, if we finish off with the Bitcoin shorts, I think we only need another day or two of shorts increasing, and I think Bitcoin would be getting ready to fall off the table. So like I said, don't want to make this video too long. Your last line in the sand for Bitcoin is 37,000. Once we do break below, or if we do break below 37,000, then I would be switching, very bearish, at least in the short term. Now, for me to be extremely bullish, I need a break above 46,000. Until we do break 46,000, or we do break 37,000, I am just sitting on the sidelines. I will be accumulating a little bit of Bitcoin on spot whenever we do have these little dumps, but I'm not trading, I'm not longing or shorting until we do either break 37 or 46. So I think massive volatility is incoming. Keep an eye on these two levels. That's basically all I see for Bitcoin. Don't want to drag it on for too long. So yeah, once again, none of this is financial advice. This is just my opinion on the market, and you've always got to do what's best for you. Peace.